Okay guys, sorry that I promised that this strategy is going to be kept in 2 videos, and I didn't manage to accomplish that. So here we are, video number 3, after talking for 14 minutes in the first video, 14.5 minutes in the second video, and hopefully a couple of minutes more in this third and last video. So let's recap everything. The strategy is you buy positions or short positions of $20,000 with 1% of risk. Therefore, it doesn't matter how big the position is, you always risk only $200, and you trade only super liquid stocks that belong to this list. Let me bring it again so you'll all understand what I'm talking about. And the list is called, I call it the daily power list. You can call it whatever you want to call it, but the prerequisites are very, very harsh. So we want stocks that trade above 5 million shares, and that's super tough. We want the price to be above $10, and we want the intraday range to be above 10%, and that's also very, very harsh. And you can see, out of thousands of stocks, now we are a couple of minutes ahead of the close, we have only 15 matches with 10 minutes left. So you cannot get tougher than that on stocks. Therefore, if we arrange the list, hold on a second, let's arrange the list according to change percentage, and you'll see that there are stocks here that moved 30%, 20%. So when we request for a stock to close at the highs of the day, of the lows of the day, and you hit one of these numbers, I'm not talking about 30% or 80%, that's wishful thinking, but I'm talking about 6, 7, 8, that's reasonable out of this list. So on average, the number is probably around 7 to 8%. Now, if you don't hit it, it doesn't necessarily mean that the trade is coming back to the entry. It can sit under 5% the whole day, and then run higher in the last couple of minutes, or move lower. Again, there are so many scenarios, we're not going to dwell into that. So I hope.
Want to stop guessing and start trading like a pro? Join our one-on-one mentorship program. Learn high-impact, low-risk chart patterns, risk management, and experience with live execution. Get expert coaching and one-on-one training and support. Get your day trading green with strategies that work. Sign up today, spots are limited. Email thechartsmaverick@gmail.com.
I hope I convinced you with that. So now, again, $20,000 is not a random number as well. As much as 1% is not random, $20,000 is not random, because on average, I think below average, US trading account has a buying power of $100,000. We talked about that. So that means that you can open at any time 5 positions. You're not going to do it, and your worst case scenario, you're going to lose 2 positions per day. That's $400 out of your capital. If you cannot apply yourself to that numbers, then you have to trade less shares. But I think this is again, scalable. If you have $500,000 in your account and you want to buy $40,000 per position, the way that we are trading and the numbers that we are trading in terms of volume are nothing, really zero, compared to the potentials of the stocks that we are trading. Okay, so now let's recap, and hope that it was illuminating, and you got something out of this strategy. We really hope that you're going to participate in our mentorship program, which actually does it one-on-one and puts you in a relatively very short time, okay, in front of the charts where you are the master of your domain. That's not a joke. You are capable of reaching very, very good decisions based on this concept. And again, this is a scalable concept, meaning if you do well, you can easily buy, instead of $30,000, so $20,000 position, 25, then 30, then 40. There is no limit here because the way that we are trading. Also, when people ask me why is it not a class and it's a mentorship and it's way more expensive, or not way more expensive, it is more expensive, okay, but it's an action business. You won't see anybody that's learning how to fly, and you have the instructor next to you. Do you see two people flying the same the plane at the same time? No. It's the same. You need to take care of action, do it, learn from the instructor that sits beside you, and you do everything. So during those 8 hours of one-on-one, there are really 8 hours where you take control and you press the button and you are in charge, but you have somebody behind you and tells you what you're doing wrong and fixing you. And in 8 hours, and of course there are additional hours after that, but 8 hours that are one-on-one real time, we accomplish a lot. And we think this is a very advanced program that I don't know who offers or who dares offer such a intense one-on-one super protective program where you trade with an instructor that sits by your side and won't let you make hopefully any mistakes. Okay, that's pretty much the recap of this video as well. So 7 minutes out of 14. Please like, subscribe, and do everything that we ask. Even if you don't take the class, please stay with us. Enjoy the channel. We would love to have you in our mentorship program, and if not, we'd love to have you in the channel. So thank you anyway for your time, and do like I said, like, subscribe, and if possible share this video with your day trading friends. And of course, we'll see you tomorrow and the days after with new videos as always. Thank you.